Good morning everybody and welcome back to another episode. In today's episode we're going to be showing you how the Paradise flycatcher will be feeding her babies. I'll also be showing you all the camera settings so that you can see how we got the shots that we got. So follow me. We have the camera set up right here, and in the tree over there we have some Paradise flycatcher nest with 2 little chicks in it. Camera settings on this, I'm on manual. I'm shooting in 1/160th of a second on f6.3 with an ISO of 640 because it's a little bit overcast today and the weather is not that great. So here are the shots. Let's see what they look like.